we hope that in this session you will be informative and engaging for all of you. So for the beginning, I would like to explain about the background of our study. Listening is an essential for EFL learners, but many EFL learners still find it difficult to improve their listening abilities effectively. YouTube as a digital platform in this digital era has become popular because it's offer a variety of content and also free access and easy to access everyone and anywhere. This research is a part of broader field English language learning through digital media, and it's focused on one specific channel, English with Lucy. Even though there are a lot of research that focus on YouTube for digital language learning, but there are still limited focus on one specific channel that's the gap we want to address. So here's the literature review of our study. The first is importance of listening skill. So according to Al-Jami in 2021, listening is a key for learning a new language and communication in real life. Kajuraya 2021 also said that listening support understanding of vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation. The next is about benefit of YouTube. Datian Asnawati in 2017 mentioned that YouTube offers a wide variety of content that is free and easy to access. Hakim Era 2024 also highlight that YouTube offers a multimedia format that support language development through videos, conversation, podcasts, and Mukarrama Era 2015 also said that the benefits of YouTube is provide interesting way to learn and help improve listening, pronunciation, and fluency. Also, we have two supporting studies from Chin et al. 2020 about regular use of YouTube improve listening test score, and Yuyun and Simongmulan 2021 for choosing relevant videos keep student focused. The next slide will be delivered by Anissa.
Okay, thanks for the opportunity. So this is our research question. What are the advantage and disadvantage of watching English with Lucy on YouTube for student listening English practice? And for research procedure, we do the qualitative method with 4 English education student department of one university in Tasikmalaya as our participants, and with high to intermediate English proficiency with age 19 to 20 years old. And we do the online interview session through Zoom meeting, and then we do the structured interview for maintain the clarity and consistency from our participant responses, and also for make it more easier to analyze the data. We ask around 7 questions focusing on how their experience using channel YouTube English with Lucy for their listening practice, and we highlight 2 advantage and disadvantage from that channel. And after we get the data, we analyze it using thematic analysis Brownian plot 206 for get the common pattern and common themes from the data. For the next point is about findings with the Liza.
Alright, thank you to Anissa. So in our interview session, there is 2 crucial questions that we give in our participant. The first question is, what are the advantages that you feel when using this channel to help your listening practice? So from this question, we found 2 patterns. There is listening comprehension context, and the second is listening in environment support. In listening comprehension aspect, there is clear and easy to understanding pronunciation. It means that Lucy pronunciation is really clearly and also have comfortable speak. And then includes listening practice tasks. Maybe several YouTube that made by Lucy it's for listening practice, and then but besides that, Lucy serves some PDF file for the viewer who want to review again about their listening practice during watching the video. And then good for beginners. Good for beginners, it means that the instruction and also the explanation by Lucy is really clear, so it can be easy, more understanding, but for the student who watching the channel. And then maybe for the student who are just starting to learning English, also it can be suitable to watching YouTube channel English with Lucy. Besides that, in context, listening environment support free and easy to access because the channel is available on YouTube, so everyone can be access the channel and then everyone can be watching every time if they want without should to pay. And then fun and interesting content. Fun and interesting content, it means that how the way Lucy to explain the materials and then the various content on the YouTube, it can be more motivation, increase motivation from the student to practice their listening. And then the second question is, have you ever found a disadvantage when using the English with Lucy channel as a learning medium? So, as I have mentioned before, there is a pattern in listening comprehension and listening environment support. There is speaking in sometimes too fast. Maybe because Lucy as a native speaker, so some student as a beginner, it can be found some hard time to understanding about the listening practice because of the thick of the accent. And then topics are sometimes too advanced because the listening practice is included into various aspects, maybe in education, in health, maybe in social. So for the student who have a limited vocabulary, it can be hard to use channel English with Lucy for a listening practice. And then in listening environment support, maybe the disadvantages is at interrupt the learning because sometimes the student is find hard time to stay focused on their learning process if there's some distraction, some kind of ads from the YouTube. And then long promotional intros because Lucy have a personal courses that should to promote by herself. So need to promote in the first YouTube video. It take long time to add or to start in the main of the course. Alright, this slide will be presented by Dian Kurniasi. Please.
Alright, I will explain about the discussion of our research. Our question research is about what are the advantages and disadvantages of watching English with Lucy on YouTube for students learning English practice. From our interviews, we found that several advantages like quick explanation and engaging delivery, fair and flexible for self-study and useful outside of classroom time. And however, we also identified some disadvantages. Many participants mentioned that as interruption learning, speed and action too fast for some students for their level, and long promotion and formal content reduce understanding. We also compare our findings with previous studies. For example, Chen et al. 2020, found that using YouTube used to improve listening test scores, and as stated by Yuyun and Simamura 2021, emphasized that choosing relevant video content helps students stay focused. And based on this, we suggest that future research could use pre-test and post-test to make sure the actual improvement in listening skill more accurately. And the next slide will be narrated by Anissa.
So we can conclude that YouTube channel English with Lucy offers several advantages for listening practice, such as clear pronunciation, engaging and structured content, vocabulary support, and flexible access. And its multimedia features and varied content also help boost motivation However, several disadvantages were identified, including interruption from ads, fast speech, long promotional intros, and overall the channel is useful too, but its effectiveness depends on the strategies used to guide learning, selective viewing, and combining with other learning methods. So that's our presentation about our mini research. Thank you so much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.